Okay guys, this tutorial will be totally dedicated to common mathematical operations. I promise nothing scary, nothing too much complicated, because in C# and most programming languages we have already dedicated methods, dedicated functions to get the job done. So let's roll with a couple of variables. They will be float data type, f number, let's say this will be 10.56. don't forget to use uppercase F at the end, and we're gonna have float 2 for second number, n will be uppercased here. This one will be a little bit bigger just when we are making operations, and we're gonna have one for integer. Third number value will be 9 when we are going to mess around with square root. Right, so down there, console, read line, just to remove those Visual Studio thingies at the end, and here we're gonna say console dot again so many times write line, and on the left side we're gonna have custom report when we are extracting which one of these is a bigger number. So the simplest possible case is just concatenate that with dedicated class where we have dedicated method to get maximum value, which is math class, and in a math class we have max method. We need to pass to it two numbers. We do have them, f number and second number. F number and comma, no plus, just comma, two parameters. Second number. Okay, f5 to check things, and we need to get 10.56. Oh, sorry, it's maximum. So 12.2, that's fine. 0 at the end is disregarded as not needed. Right, well, minimum value, well, copy paste as many times before. Minimum, and max will be switched to minimum, and now I'm gonna definitely get 10.56. There you go. Right, what about square root? Well, again, console dot writeline, write line, and custom report will be Sqrt, little bit of space, again math class with dedicated method which is Sqrt. Okay, we need to pass to it one parameter which is t number 9. So let's do that. T number, and yeah, and must be uppercased. We are going to get 3. There you go. Classical stuff. Okay, what about absolute value? Well, let me save a little bit of time. Right here, I'm gonna switch Sqrt to ABS or whatever you like, and of course, corresponding method. You have that in drop down. Visual Studio is great for that, but this time we're gonna pass some direct number here, like negative 54. F5, and we're gonna get 54. There you go. Cool stuff. Okay, what about rounding numbers? Well, let's do that. I'm gonna grab this 2 times because we can have different numbers, closer to 0 or closer to upper number. How to explain this? Anyway, I'm gonna say around here and also around here, and corresponding method with the same name, round, also here, but as parameter we're gonna give direct number which will be 5.55, which needs to be rounded to nearest bigger, which is 6, and we will target specific case to round to lower number, in this case to 5. Okay, so we are going to fix our code a little bit for simplicity, F5, and the thing will be done in a split of a second. There you go. Do I have correct results? Yes, 6 and 5 because of 5.2. Okay, guys, that's pretty much common mathematical stuff. Yes, there are many more, and if you're a mathematician, you're gonna probably enjoy doing this. In Python, you also have very short way of doing those things, but we are in C# playlist, so we do C# thingies where we need to type a lot. Well, anyway, as always, thank you for watching, for support and subscription, and see ya in the next tutorial. Ciao!